Good morning, my name is Steven and welcome aboard the beautiful Carnival Conquest. She's a bit of an older ship, but today we're in cabin 6276 and we're gonna do a complete room tour. Let's get it started. As always, I like to start the room tours here at the front of the cabin where we walk in. We can find all of our safety information here. This is your master light switch, so you can turn on all the lights or off when you walk in and out. On the left side, it's a tight squeeze back here. You're gonna find your closet space with some life jackets, hangers that you cannot steal these hangers. They have the little magical thing that makes it that you can't steal them. Tons of space down below, more space down here. Next door is another closet with more hangers and more shelf space. Tons of space for moving in, even more shelves, and a full-length mirror. Hello, me. Over here is our bathroom. Not a bad bathroom as far as size. The shower has an adjustable shower head, has a shower gel shampoo. It's not bad. I fit in here pretty well. I'm pretty short, so I guess don't use me as a metric, but I have tons of space above me, and this is adjustable, so we can raise that even higher. There is plenty of shelf space for you to go ahead and move in. An adjustable swivelable mirror, which is pretty cool. Standard toilet. That toilet paper needs more. Not too much space down below. Sink and vanity. Hello, me. Then coming out to the main portion of the cabin, you can find your Adrians. They're standard with the room. Carnival actually does provide 2 towels that you can borrow for the sailing. If you do not return them to the back, if you don't return them back to your cabin, they will charge you for those towels. So make sure you return them. Couch looks pretty comfy. Is it comfortable?
It's comfortable, but then again, we've been out in the heat for a long time, so any kind of chair is comfortable right now.
Theme Park Express, if anyone was wondering. Over here is the vanity. We have a 220, which, by the way, this cabin only has one 220 and one 110, which means you might want to bring an adapter, and I wasn't the smart one that brought it. It was the other guy. Down here we have our shelves, a hair dryer that you cannot remove. It does work. More drawer space down below. Actually, tons of drawer space. That's 4 drawers. There is a mini cooler. How do I open this? What in the world? That way. There is a cooler or fridge. This is actually, it is not cool whatsoever. It looks cool, but it's not that cool, but it should keep a drink, but it won't fit much else. Those waters cost extra, so don't take them unless you're willing to pay, at the moment of this cruise, $4.75 each. There is a tiny TV, not really the size that you want to watch TV on, but it's there in case if you're interested. More mirror space, really interesting. Over here is the bed setup. They could be combined together for one king-size bed or apart like they are right now in case if you don't like the person you're rooming with. There's 2 USBs on this lamp and 2 USBs on the other lamp. Not a lot of US outlets, but at least there's a few extra USBs in the cabin to help out. Here is the balcony, the main attraction of the room. We got 2 chairs, a table, and a beautiful view of Miami. Overall, it is your standard Carnival cabin, but the one thing that we have noticed immediately stepping into this cabin is that there is a vent on that door, which means you can hear everything that is happening outside of the cabin. And we're located right on midship near the elevators, which means there's a lot of activity, a lot of people crossing through. If you're one of those people that likes to sleep into the day, it might be a problem for you. Or if you go to sleep early and there's parties going on, another major problem for you. Maybe consider putting yourself in another location of the ship, maybe not midship, stay away from the elevators. All of the cabins on the ship have vents, so be mindful of that. But that is our entire room tour. If you're interested in the Carnival Conquest and our entire vlog series with visiting to Celebration Key, check that out. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this isn't a goodbye, but just a Cya Real Soon.